Namaste, welcome back to JD Vishnu YouTube channel. This side Vishnu. You are watching Ambience Beaumonde at Kokapet, Hyderabad, Golden Mile Road. Low-rise gated community apartments spread across 1.5 acres, single tower, 14 floors. 140 apartments, exclusive 3 BHK gated community, 3 BHK starting from 1860 square feet, 2320 square feet, 2350 square feet. These three sizes are available. Separate 20,000 square feet clubhouse, rooftop infinity pool, health club and gym, gardens and walking path, indoor games plus kids play area zones, stilt and rooftop amenities. Low density project, prime location, well connected to the ORR financial district. Thank you so much.